Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the headlights on Opel Combo. To remove the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, we need to remove those bolts right there. And there is some bolts here on the side that we need to remove. And if there is an engine under tray, we need to remove the bolts on the engine under tray. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the side. We need to remove that bolt right there, and we're going to remove those clips for the wheel arch liner as well. And then we're going to remove the bolt holding the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that those bolts are removed, we have access to the bolt inside. In my case, the bolt is right there on the outside because it's something somebody has put on. But in most cases, the bolt is on the inside and you just need to remove that bolt. Here you can see I removed the bolt and the front bumper is now free. Now I'm gonna go on the other side and remove the bolt holding the bumper on this side. In my case, the bolt is on the outside as well. I'm going to remove that bolt, but in your case, it will probably be just underneath the wheel arch liner. Here in my case there is another bolt holding the bumper to the arch liner here on the bottom, and you might have some bolts on the engine under tray, but if there is no more bolts, that's how you remove the front bumper. Now you need to disconnect the electrical connector and then you can remove the bumper completely. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the headlights. The headlights are held by 3 bolts, one there, and one down there. There is also an electrical connector that we need to disconnect before removing the headlight completely. On the other side is the same 3 bolts and one electrical connector. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.